Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've got an early morning or late night flight from London Stansted Airport, this video is for you. I'll show you the easiest way to get here and where you can stay the night right inside the airport at the Hampton by Hilton Stansted. So let's go. To get to Stansted Airport, I took the train, and honestly it's the most convenient way to get there, and you can catch the train directly from London Liverpool Street station, and the journey takes around 45 to 50 minutes. The trains run quite frequently, and the best part is that you can buy your ticket and check the full train schedule using the Avanti app or any other train apps. You can pay easily with your card, and your ticket is saved right on your phone, so there is no need to print anything. Now, if your flight is much later or maybe very early in the morning, it's really convenient to stay overnight in a nearby hotel. Following the signs will show you the way to the Hampton by Hilton. You'll need to take the lift down and follow the path towards the hotel entrance. So as you can see, the Hampton by Hilton is literally connected to the terminal by a short walkway. The standard check-in time at the Hampton by Hilton Stansted Airport is from 3 p.m, but usually if you arrive earlier and there is a room available, they're happy to check you in before that time. If you book your stay through booking.com, breakfast is included in the room price. And usually it starts as early as 4 a.m, which is really convenient if you have an early flight. As you can see, the room is quite good, comfortable and modern. There is everything you might need. A hairdryer, iron and ironing board, kettle, tea, coffee, all included. The rooms are very quiet, which makes it easy to get a good night's rest. Room rates depend on availability and demand, but on average, a standard twin room costs around £120 per night. When you book via booking.com, you'll need to provide your credit card just to guarantee your reservation, but you don't have to pay in advance. Payment is made directly at the hotel during check-in. The price includes breakfast. It serves from 4 a.m. and I'll also show a quick look at the breakfast area. It's located in the main lobby next to the reservation. I hope this video was helpful for you and gave you some useful tips for planning your next trip. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, Are You With Me Travel. Thanks again and see you in the next video.